Good evening, friends. Uh, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel, The Market Moves. So, today I am making it in Hindi. So many people used to ask me, sir, please make your videos in English. So, it is very difficult to uh, mm, opt for a single language. So, I will be keep shuffling from Hindi to English. Okay. So, today I am going to make it in English. Okay. So yesterday we had discussed several labels as we used to do every day, and as usual, the labels worked very well and exactly in a proper way. And had anyone followed those labels, definitely would have made very good profit today. So, in brief, what we had actually discussed yesterday. Now this is bank nifty chart. So yesterday I had told that this is the trend line which has been respected by bank nifty price for quite a long now, and we had drawn a triangle also. It was like it started from here, and it was like this. Okay, and yesterday I had told that since this triangle pattern has been broken out by bank nifty, so the target should be the distance between this vertical distance should be the target. But somehow from 38,951 to 38,609, so 350 points, and it was around 434 points. So 350 points really one way really after this triangle was breached, we got in bank nifty. Now one thing to remember, that criteria of going down 454 or 434 odd points from here after reaching this triangle is now negated. The reason being bank nifty crossed above this trend line, and it has had a very good rally, so that criteria is now negated, so forget it now. Now what happened today? Yesterday I had mentioned that this level will be a very important level, and you can tell it 38,646. Why this level? Because this level was well, I had got it. Well, this level was yesterday's close. Okay, so as I have been mentioning that previous days open, previous days close, previous days highs, these are very important level. These are very little things which are generally ignored by the traders. So see how beautifully it worked. This was the level where bank nifty had closed yesterday, and today after gap down, after a gap down, okay, it opened here. Okay, it opened here. Okay, it was in fact it was a gap up. It slided down up to this level, and exactly at this level it took support and it started going up. Now see how beautifully levels work. See this violet line. Okay, I had mentioned that this is also an important level. Why? This is because it is a multiple support and resistance level. Okay, now see it went up to this level, then tried to break out above it, but it failed. It came down again near that yesterday's close level, and then it started going up. Now this was the point where I actually was confirmed that this market is going to go up. Why? This was a very good support, and near the support we got a bullish harami pattern. This is bullish harami pattern. Those who know about candlestick patterns, they would be knowing that this is bullish harami pattern, and when it occurs in downtrend near any support, it indicates that the change up trend is on card. So it happened, it started going up again. It took some resistance here, and finally when it breached this trend line and closed above it, it became like a rocket. And you see how beautifully the levels are working. This was the level which I had drawn yesterday, and I have been mentioning about this level because this is the level which is probably it was high of Friday, okay, or high of Monday. So see, after breaching this trend line, it went up to almost to that level of 39,175, and it almost closed around the day's high. Now this is another very good sign if some stock or any index manages to close near the day high. At the day high is the best option, but if it manages to close near the day high, then it indicates that the momentum is very strong and it may continue its rally up. But our market is totally dependent on the US markets volatility. Now the way the US markets are behaving, it is very difficult to predict anything on the basis of our closing. So it is very difficult to say that, even though the charts are telling that the momentum is very strong both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, you can't say, or you can't predict that what is going to happen tomorrow mornings. Okay, so let's leave it for the moment. Now see what can happen tomorrow. Now as these are the levels, for today we have to mark another new level, and that will be today's low. This is today's low, okay, and one more level, that will be today's opening. So this is today's open around this level. So these two new levels are available now. So what may happen? First, if there is a gap up, so definitely that gap up will be around 39,321, that is last week's high. And as I have been mentioning, this is a hurdle. So if there is going to be any gap up, then price will surpass by doing that gap up to the next level. So this is the next level, that is 39,321. It may open here, and if after opening here it takes some time, it spend some time here, and if there is any sign of consolidation, and after that consolidation if it breaches in the upward direction, then definitely it will be a very strong move, and that will take Bank Nifty up to 39,500 to 39,600. This will act as a resistance zone. Why I have mentioned it in previous videos, that is an hourly supply zone. This supply zone comes from my DNSZ analysis, so it will work as an important resistance. Now what if Bank Nifty opens around the same area where it did close today? So if it opens around this area, then we have to wait for the price to close above this level, whether it is 5-minute close or 15-minute close, it should close here. And when after closing above this level, if it comes down to retest this level, and then if it forms any positive formation, then you should enter for longs, and again it will take Bank Nifty to 39,321, and in the same way afterwards surpassing this level, if there is a positive price action, then we may continue to hold our position for these targets. Now the third scenario, what about gap down? Now the gap down is definitely, if there is any possibility, it may happen around this level. Why this level? Because two important levels are lying here. First one is this trend line, and the second one is this violet line. Okay, so this trend, if it comes to this trend line and tries to go up, that means that will be the retest of this breakout. So that will be another positive sign. So if it gaps down here, then it forms any positive candle like this pin bar here, then if above that pin bar high, we may take our entry, and again those targets will be 39,000, this one, and again this one, and above this zone. And the fourth scenario, if it opens here and it starts going down, so if it does so, then I am going to mark another new level. This is the level. Why I am marking this level? Because see, not only today, but previously it has taken resistance so many times around this level, and it spent quite a bit time here. This is 39,065 odd level. Okay, 39,065 odd level. And today in my Telegram channel, I had mentioned it that as long as it is trading below 39,065, it is not going to go up, and as soon as it breached that level, it became rocket, and in a single candle it went up to 39,175 odd levels. Okay, just a minute friends. So this is the way market behaves. If your analysis is very well, and if you believe in your analysis, then you can make very good money in this market. It's all about having belief in your analysis. Now, so this is about bank nifty. Okay, now one more thing. Now see, I have mentioned it so many times that there are some patterns which work very well, and I am very fond of this W and M pattern. So see here, you can let me go to 5-minute chart, and you will see that how beautifully the W pattern formed here, and the prices actually the price actually followed it. Now see here, see, this is a W. It is known as a double bottom pattern also. So see, this was the W. It formed here, and as soon as this positive formation, you can see here, this one in 5-minute chart, it is bullish engulfing pattern. So those who know these patterns, they might have taken their positions here, and it started going up, and this was the neckline. Okay, so around the neckline, and this trend line was also there. So as soon as it passed above this neckline, it was sure that bank nifty was going to go up. Now the targets may be this level first. It almost has been achieved, and I think the W pattern has already been completed here. So note down the levels for bank nifty for tomorrow. Now let's go to nifty. Well, this was the trend line which I had mentioned yesterday, that nifty is following this trend line. Okay, so today as bank nifty, it opened here, then it went down, and it just touched that 17,070 odd level. Now this level, and the second one 17,227 level, these two levels are working like a magnet. Every time when the price goes below these levels attract the price towards them, and if the price goes up, they attract it downwards to themselves. So these are the two levels which are giving so many opportunities. Okay, so see here, it tried to surpass the 17,065, 70, 80 level, but it failed. And see, if you know the candlestick patterns in a proper way, this was bearish harami type pattern near the resistance, and had you known it, you could have taken a trade, and it from this level of 17,053, it went down to 17,959. Almost 100 points move was there. Now from here it started going up again. Okay, from here it started going up again, and it breached this level, came to this trend line which has been followed by nifty for quite a long now. It gave a breakout. Now after the breakout, it came down. Okay, it came down, and again near this 17,065, 70 level, it formed a bullish engulfing pattern. Let me draw it in a proper way. Yeah, and you can see it spent around 20-30 minutes here, and then after surpassing this level with this very bullish candle, it went one way up, and exactly it does that level 17,139. Now believe me, I have not adjusted these levels to show you people how to show the accuracy of my analysis. You can match the yesterday's level and the level which I am showing here, they are the same levels. So it's all about the preciseness, or you can say that the experience. So these are very simple technical aspects. Yesterday's high, yesterday's low, or yesterday's opening. I have been doing the same thing. I am not doing anything very specific since I have started my YouTube channel. Okay, so it exactly touched this level, and then it closed around that level. Had it closed above this level, it would have been a very good signal for tomorrow. But one can believe that if the US markets sustain where they are exactly now, we may see very good upside tomorrow. So the next target above this level. Now let's discuss about the opening of Nifty. We have already discussed about the bank Nifty. So if it gaps up, then it may open around here. It is very remote possibility that it may open around here after gap up. It may open around here. So if it opens around here, then again as usual we have to watch out for the price action. If there is any consolidation after the consolidation means if the price moves within the range, like here you see it is within the range. You can see here it is within the range. Now let me draw a box here, so it will be very helpful to understand what is consolidation all about. So let me take a rectangle here. Now see here, see how the price is behaving from here up to here. It has been trading within this rectangle, so within the same two levels. So as soon as it breached this level, now see how far it went down. So in the same way you can see, if I draw another rectangle here, you see it was consolidating here. Now as soon as it breached it, see how it fast and how long it went up. So we have to wait for the consolidation here, and if post that consolidation, if price breaches that consolidation upper level, then it may see sorry here above this level, then it may see 17,337, and this zone will act as a small resistance. Why? Because there is a supply zone lying here. So as soon as the prices after gapping up here surpasses this level, then definitely we can see 17,337, and the next level for the upcoming days is 17,425. Now what if Nifty is going to open gap down? Then definitely that level will be around this level, around 17,066, or around this neckline area. So wherever it opens, we have to wait. If it opens, consolidates, and if the consolidation level is broken in upward direction, then we have to take a long position, that is buy position. And if it breaches that consolidation in the lower direction, then if it breaches here, then this trend line will act as a support. If it opens here and post consolidation it breaks downwards, then this level, and that is that higher time frame channels lower line, this one. Okay, always remember this channel. Nifty price has been following this channel in hourly chart for quite a long time now. So the gap down is around here. Then if it breaks upward, targets will be these and these. If it breaks down in the downside, the first target or first resistance will be here, or who knows, it may come to this level. So this is the point of intersection of that lower part of the channel and this trend line. So this will act as a very good support for tomorrow after the gap down or after the usual drop down. Okay, now if Nifty manages to close below this level, at least 15-minute close, and below that 15-minute close, after it if we see any retest around this level and then a bearish candlestick pattern, then it will be sure that it will go further down to 16,855 and then around this zone. And I have already mentioned why this zone is going to be very important one. You can go and refer from the yesterday's video. Now the third scenario, if Nifty neither gaps up nor gaps down, if it opens here, then either it may go down or it may go up. So there is immediate resistance here, so we have to wait. If it starts going up, so it may happen that it goes up and then it comes down to this level, that will be a retest, and afterwards if there is any bullish candlestick formation, we can take our trade in long side, and then the targets will be this level, and that upward 17433 level. Now what if it opens here and it starts going down? If that is the case, then this will be a very important level. Okay, remember this level. Why this level? Because this is today's high. Rather, sorry, it was a level where Nifty spent quite a long time today. So this will be very important level. So if it starts coming down, wait for this level. If it breaches it and then starts going down, then the target will be 17,065 to 17,080, and this will again act as a very good support. So wait here, be patient, and see what the price action is going to do. If it takes support here and it starts going up, and if there is any bullish formation, then you can initiate your long trades for 17,139, then this level, and then this level. If it breaches here and stays here, if it sustains below this level, then there will be a very good sell trade which will take Nifty to this level, that is 16,960 to 16,050 odd levels. So these are the levels for tomorrow. You have to be careful about this level, which is yes, it is today's low, and that is also coming to that point of intersection. So this 16,960 for tomorrow or day after tomorrow is going to be very important level. So this is all for today's video. Hope you would like this video, and if you are finding that my views are useful for you, so kindly subscribe my channel, and it's up to you whether you like or dislike. It's not an issue, but if you like it useful, then please recommend it to your friends and relatives, so that I can get some more members. So thank you very much guys. Let's meet tomorrow with another video. We'll meet again. Thank you very much. Namaste.